Teddy Blue's grooming session is over. La sesión de grooming de Teddy ya está terminada. Since her parents didn't want to cut any hair on the body, what we do, we just like gave some shape to the hair on her butt, and also deshed her very well. Deshed him, I'm sorry, very well. Ya que sus papás no querían que le cortáramos el pelo, solamente le cortamos un poco el pelo en la parte trasera para darle forma y que no lo tuviera tan largo, y nos dedicamos a quitarle todo el cabello suelto, todo el cabello muerto, se lo peinamos bien para que se le saliera. Y esto que ustedes ven aquí es todo el pelo que le salió. No le cortamos el pelo, solamente se lo peinamos muy bien para que soltara todo el pelo muerto o pelo suelto. These are the tools that you use to get rid of all this hair from a dog's coat. So this is not a haircut, this is just deshedding. And these tools are very useful. They come in different brands and different shapes somehow. But this one specifically, I love it. And they are like very affordable. There are some that are like extremely expensive and they claim that they do miracles, but don't be deceived. They are exactly the same. They are just more expensive. It's just like from different brands. And this is the outcome. Todo este pelo se lo sacamos con esta herramienta. No son muy caras, pues vienen en diferentes marcas, diferentes estilos, pero esta me gusta. Hay otras que vienen que son muy caras y que dicen que hacen maravillas, pero hacen exactamente lo mismo que estas que son más económicas. Y este es el resultado de ese trabajo. So here is Teddy Blue, looking all calm now, although he's always like very hyper because he's still a puppy, so he loves his freedom and he has a lot of energy. But this is how he looks now, and I'm sure that he's going to be shedding so much less at home. He's a beautiful dog. He has a blue eye on one side and a brown one on the other side, according to Christina, and according to me too, because now I see it. Right, Teddy? Él tiene un ojito café y un ojito azul. Si se dan cuenta en su carita, él así es. Y es un perrito muy cariñoso, es muy bueno. So this is Teddy Blue, and this is how you do it with a mini Aussie when somebody asks you not to cut their hair, but they want to be clean and to be groomed. What you do, you just like do outline trimming on the back, a little bit on the front, clean the paws, cut their nails, and then work a lot on their coat to remove all the dead hair. This is the back after we did some work too. And now he's going to be able to use the restroom without making his coat dirty on the back or underneath too. So he says goodbye now. Entonces este es Teddy Blue, así es como se ve, y se despide ahora. Say bye bye. Di adiós, Teddy. Look, Teddy. Good job.